The Bayraktar Akıncı is a high-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by the Turkish defense company Baykar. Representing a new generation of drones, the Akıncı boasts advanced capabilities, including a significant payload capacity and sophisticated sensors. These features enable it to conduct a variety of missions, such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions using advanced munitions. Its long endurance allows it to loiter over areas of interest for extended periods, providing valuable real-time intelligence. The emergence of the Akıncı reflects a broader trend of rapid advancements in drone technology, revolutionizing modern warfare and impacting military strategies worldwide. For Pakistan, the Akıncı drone presents a significant opportunity to bolster its aerial capabilities and potentially shift the balance of power in the region. The drone's long endurance aligns well with Pakistan's strategic priorities, particularly in the context of its rivalry with India. It could provide Pakistan with persistent surveillance over disputed territories and enhance its ability to conduct cross-border strikes if needed. The Akıncı's payload capacity allows the drone to carry a range of munitions, including precision-guided bombs and missiles. This capability enhances Pakistan's ability to strike high-value targets with greater accuracy and potentially minimizes collateral damage. The potential acquisition of the Akıncı drone by Pakistan underscores the strengthening defense ties between Pakistan and Turkey. The potential deployment of Akıncı drones by Pakistan poses a complex challenge for India. The drone's capabilities, particularly its range and payload, could threaten a range of Indian military assets, including air bases and radar installations. The Akıncı's ability to operate at high altitudes presents challenges for some of India's existing air defense systems. India's concerns are further amplified by the drone's potential use in saturation attacks, where multiple Akıncı drones could be deployed simultaneously to overwhelm Indian air defenses. This tactic aims to exhaust India's defensive capabilities and create opportunities for other Pakistani forces to exploit. The Akıncı's relatively low cost compared to traditional fighter jets makes it an attractive option for conducting such attacks. The potential proliferation of Akıncı drones in the region raises concerns about the stability of the India-Pakistan border. India possesses a multi-layered air defense network, comprising a combination of legacy systems and newer acquisitions. However, the Akıncı drone's capabilities, particularly its flight ceiling and potential for saturation attacks, pose a challenge to some elements of India's air defenses. Among India's most capable air defense systems is the S-400 Triumph, a long-range surface-to-air missile system acquired from Russia. The S-400 is designed to engage a wide range of aerial targets, including aircraft, ballistic missiles, and drones. Its long range and advanced radar capabilities make it a formidable deterrent against high-altitude threats like the Akıncı drone. In addition to the S-400, India also relies on indigenously developed air defense systems, such as the Akash missile system. India is also developing more advanced air defense systems, such as the Barak 8, to further enhance its capabilities. The emergence of the Akıncı drone underscores the importance of modernizing India's armed forces. India must invest in advanced technologies and doctrines to counter the evolving threats in the region. This includes bolstering its air defense capabilities, enhancing its electronic warfare capabilities, and developing counter-drone strategies. One crucial aspect of India's modernization efforts is the development of a comprehensive counter-drone strategy. This strategy should encompass a multi-layered approach that includes detection, tracking, and neutralization of drone threats. India could explore a combination of kinetic and non-kinetic options, such as jamming systems and directed energy weapons. By developing its own drones, India can better understand the strengths and weaknesses of these systems, which is crucial for developing effective countermeasures. International cooperation will also play a vital role in mitigating the drone threat. India should engage in dialogue and cooperation with like-minded countries to share intelligence, develop joint strategies, and establish best practices for countering drone threats. Collaboration with countries that have experience in countering drone warfare, such as Israel and the United States, could be particularly beneficial. The emergence of the Akıncı drone as a potential threat in the region highlights the rapidly evolving nature of warfare. Drones are no longer a niche capability, but a mainstream military asset. India must adapt its military strategies, doctrines, and force posture to effectively address this challenge. This requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses technological advancements, doctrinal innovation, and international cooperation. By taking these steps, India can mitigate the threat posed by the Akıncı drone and maintain its security in a rapidly changing security environment.